Yo dog, what's poppin'? Nothing man, still doing my music shit. How about you? Just trying to make that dope player. Got any ideas? Yeah, I got a few. Ever try rapping? Hell no son, that's not for me. Ain't. What about investing in the stock market? Hectares ha, you're kidding. Right. Nah bro, I'm being for real. I have better chances of making that paper in the stock market than rapping. That shit cray. How do you even know what you were doing? I read this book last month. It's called You Can Be a Stock Market Genius. It's about this Joel Greenblatt guy, who is the author and has been beating the Dow with returns of 50% a year for more than a decade. No aim I do. I've got to read this. For real man, I learned a lot from it actually. What else does it say? It basically says that there is no chance that you can beat the market, so don't even try, but you can uncover the secret hiding places of stock market profits. So let's elaborate on these secret hiding places. Are you saying there are certain strategies that can help me learn more about my investment opportunities? Well, stock market profits can be hiding anywhere, but if you stick to looking for these investment opportunities in the secret hiding places, you'll have a huge advantage over the investment pros and everyone else. Damn bro, that sounds so complicated. Not really. You just have to learn what to look for in the daily paper and then you're set. I hope you're right. So take me back to the investment opportunities. Can you elaborate on them? Yeah son, the main topics covered are spin-offs, rights offerings, risk arbitrage, merger securities, bankruptcies and restructuring, recapitalizations, warrants, and options. Word? I have no idea what any of those words mean. Neither did I at first. It takes time to understand, but thank God for the glossary in the back of the book. That is what hooked your brother up. Okay man, I believe you, but can you explain some of those words to me before I start reading? Of course dog. First thing is a spin-off. It's basically when a larger company sells in a subsidiary company to its shareholders or to the general public. I'm confused. Why would they do that? They want to recognize the essential value of a company that might otherwise be too difficult to assess. By separating the parent company from the spun-off company, the investing public will now be able to price each company separately and recognize an increased value. Okay, I kind of get it. What about rights offering? A rights offering is basically when the main company gives its existing shareholders the right, but not the obligation, to purchase the new spin-off shares at a discount to market value. I can follow that. So they can both make some money. Exactly. See, you're getting it. Next is risk arbitrage, which is the people who make the bets. They are betting on the outcome of the deal and hoping to make some money on the shares if it does or doesn't go through. That's something I'd definitely be into. Now we're on merger securities, which can be a little tricky to get. They take place when companies want to use other forms of payment rather than cash or stock. They make the matter more complex for multiple reasons, and a lot of times people get confused and sell the securities. Okay. What's next? Bankruptcies and restructuring. I'm pretty sure I know what these mean. Yeah, you do. But there are two main types of business bankruptcies. One is when a company wants to reform its business and is looking for protections from creditors. The second one is when a company wants to settle its assets to pay off its debt, then return whatever is left to the shareholders. That's easy to get. After that, it's recapitalizations. To recapitalize simply means to change the capital formation of a company They are used to boost the value of the company's stock. This isn't as hard as I thought. Yeah, and we're almost done. We're on options. There are two main types of options, calls and puts. A call is the right to buy a stock, and a put is the right to sell a stock. Easy enough. Options are contracts traded on exchanges between two parties, similar to stocks. So what's the last one? Lastly, I'll explain warrants. Warrants are similar to options except that they are issued directly by the company. That's it. Yeah, unless you want to know what the easiest area is to take advantage of. Duh. Hook a brother up, man. Haha. Okay, well, for most people I'd have to say the spin-off area. Pretty much anyone and their mother can play the spin-off game. I want to play this game. What else is in it for me? Well, they're mad easy to spot and you can pick and choose from a large number of opportunities, and the group as a whole beats the pants off the market. Well, if it's that easy, I can spend all my damn time in the spin-off area. Yeah, whatever floats your boat, man. So that's basically the whole book. Are you going to read it? Yeah, for sure. After getting a little bit of background information, I'm ready to make the stock market my bitch. Thanks, my dude. No problem, G. I'll see you around.